In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge the Logitech Pebble mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to properly use and charge the Pebble mouse. Now, unlike most wireless mouse or mice, this specific model from Logitech does not use a rechargeable battery. Instead, it is powered up by a single AA battery. So instead of charging it by using a USB cable or plugging it into your PC and so on, you simply have to gather a new AA battery. To my knowledge, there is no way to charge it using a cable, so keep that in mind. So all that you have to do is remove the top cover. This top cover is magnetic, so removing it is extremely simple. You will be able to do it by gently prying it open with your finger. So make sure that you insert your fingernails in this small gap between the cover and the side of the mouse. You can also use appropriate tools inserted in here and then pry it upwards. And once you do, the top cover will be removed. With this done, the AA battery compartment is now exposed and you can remove the old one and then insert a new AA battery. So gently remove the top cover, held and place my magnets. Now, with access to the battery compartment, you can swap the old battery for a fresh one. This is designed to conserve battery life, so it often includes features like an automatic sleep mode to minimize power consumption. And like I said, to my knowledge, there is no version of the mouse that charges using a standard USB cable. If you would prefer that, then you have to look into other alternatives. This one in particular, the Pebble model, uses a AA battery that you have to insert on this part of the mouse. So you remove the top cover and you will be able to place it here. Make sure that you place it in the correct orientation and you will be good to go. Close it up and you can now use the mouse again with no problem. This should last you a while and you can use it as much as you wish on any compatible device. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge Logitech Pebble mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.